2 weeks after the launch of the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge, Xiaomi has now unveiled another handset with the revolutionary 120-watt HyperCharge technology. The new smartphone 11T Pro 5G has been launched in two variants and competes with the newly launched OnePlus 9 RT, Vivo V23 Pro and other smartphones priced under Rs 45,000. It brings some massive upgrades to the table. In addition to the 120-watt charging technology, the phone flaunts a 10-bit AMOLED display, Harman Kardon-backed stereo speakers, somewhat familiar 108-megapixel triple-lens camera setup with some modifications, and even gets an IP53 rated design. Here's what we think about the device after a day's usage, but before that, let's find out what's inside this box. So let's start our unboxing of the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G smartphone. And the first thing that you will find in the box is a cardboard designed by Xiaomi. And here you will see a SIM card ejector tool, a small package that will give us an adapter. So you can use any standard 3.5mm earphones with the help of this small accessory in the box. So it's a good thing that Xiaomi is offering this little accessory in the box. Keep it handy if you have any standard earphones. And then we have the quick start guide plus a silicone case to give you some protection for your handset. I think Xiaomi could have done a good job by offering a premium quality silicone case, but that's the only thing. Otherwise, we have here the handset. And we have the Celestial Magic color variant, and this is how the handset looks. Let me just remove this wrapping and then I will give you a clear look of the Celestial Magic color variant of the Xiaomi 11T Pro. Okay, so here we have the handset, and this is how the color changes when you tilt the handset and any light falls on it. So I think this looks pretty cool. It's a rainbow of colors at the back panel and a massive 108-megapixel triple lens camera setup. The device feels really good. Let's just focus on the accessories first, and then we will talk about the specifications, display, and the design of this handset. So I have switched on the device. We'll set it up and give you more information about the specifications. But first, let me have a look what else Xiaomi is offering in the packaging. So here we have standard Type-C data cable so that you can recharge your phone's 5000 mAh battery. And then we have the massive 120-watt HyperCharge brick in the box. So it's a good thing that Xiaomi is offering this bundled in the box. You don't have to pay extra 4 or might be 4,500 rupees for this powerful charger. This is by far the fastest fast charging solution available in the market, and it's a bulky charger. It's not that big, but it definitely is bulky, and Xiaomi is offering this particular accessory in the box. So you get a 120-watt charging brick, a Type-C charging cable, and then you get a very normal looking and average quality silicone case in the box. Plus you get this little accessory that will help you use any 3.5mm headphones with your handset, because this particular handset does not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. So it's a good thing that this accessory comes bundled in the box. So this is the complete in-box accessories for the new smartphone. And now let's talk about various aspects of this handset. One of the best things about the Xiaomi 11T Pro is its gorgeous 10-bit AMOLED display. It is extremely vivid and fluid thanks to over 1 billion colors it can produce and the smooth 120Hz refresh rate it offers. The Dolby Vision support and the Harman Kardon stereo speaker setup further create an immersive multimedia experience. In short, Xiaomi has managed to offer an excellent screen for multimedia fanatics that love streaming videos and playing games on their smartphone. You also get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, a very precise haptic feedback thanks to the linear vibration motor, and a big 5000 mAh battery unit that can last a day with moderate to heavy usage. Not to forget how quickly it can be refueled with a bundled charger. This brings us to the Xiaomi's HyperCharge fast charging technology. Bundled in the box, the 120-watt fast charging brick took just 21 minutes to refuel the phone's 5000 mAh battery from 10% to 100%. At present, there's no handset other than the Xiaomi 11i HyperCharge that can match such fast charging speeds of the Xiaomi 11T Pro. The 120 watt seems a bit too much and raises some questions on the safety aspects of the fast charging process. However, Xiaomi assures that the HyperCharge technology is safe and has been tested rigorously to ensure thorough safety of the device, charging brick, and the users. The Xiaomi 11T Pro is a nice looking phone. There are gentle curves at the back panel and a massive two-step triple lens camera setup and some minimal Xiaomi branding at the other corner. The phone is available in 3 color options: white, grey, and the one we are testing, the Celestial Magic, that shows a rainbow of colors when you tilt the handset at certain angles. The phone feels pretty sturdy in hands and it is also IP53 certified, that should offer some degree of protection from water and dust damage. The 11T Pro is a fairly big device and isn't quite easy to use with one hand. That big 6.67 inches display offers a good real estate for multimedia but also makes the phone pretty big and difficult for one-hand usage. You will find most usable design utilities such as a Type-C charging port, microphones, clicky physical buttons, and dual stereo speakers powered by Harman Kardon. Let's hear out the output once. The Xiaomi 11T Pro supports 13 5G bands, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset and has oodles of RAM and internal storage. We haven't encountered any issues so far, but we would still recommend you to wait for our comprehensive review for a thorough performance analysis. The smartphone runs MIUI 12.5.2 stable version based on Android 11, which is a bit of a letdown because we were expecting the phone to run Android 12 out of the box. Nevertheless, the phone will soon receive the Android 12 update. Coming on to the camera, you get the familiar 108 megapixel high resolution sensor paired with an 8 megapixel wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. The setup impressed us with its overall picture quality and color science. The 108 megapixel shots reveal impressive details and spot on contrast. The Pro mode offers a range of useful features such as RAW mode, focus peaking, and exposure control. Besides, there are several useful modes to help you make the most out of this capable camera hardware. We really like the camera output from the 5 megapixel macro sensor. It is one of the best we have tested in a while. It captures sharp macros with good details and vivid colors. I wish Xiaomi had also offered optical image stabilization this time. For videos, you only get EIS on both primary and wide angle lens. Let's check out some camera samples now. So far we haven't found anything extremely bad or not likable about the new Xiaomi smartphone, but it is too early to make any conclusions. We will spend some more time testing the 11T Pro to bring over detailed review. This is Rohit Roda signing off and keep watching tech on Gizbot.